This is a GDU O2 drone review. Brought to you by Drone Samurai. So what is the GDU O2 drone? The O2 is a drone designed for everyone. Combining extreme portability, high-resolution image capturing, advanced sensors and onboard computing capability, and ease of use, to be the go-to option for your everyday drone. O2 has one of the world's smallest 3-axis stabilized camera gimbals that can capture amazing footage in 4K. The perfect combination of small body size with a powerful 3-axis gimbal allows you to truly unfold your creativity wherever you go. With slide arm technology, instead of folding arms that leave the props and rotors exposed during transit, the O2 designers updated the design to incorporate sliding arms that hide the props inside the body. While taking up less space, this gives you room to attach the controller to the O2, making it an easy-to-carry package. Not only is the O2 extremely small, but it is tough. Using aviation aluminum alloy, it has the most robust propeller arms in its class. Also, with vision positioning. The vision positioning system allows O2 to maintain full stability both indoors and outdoors, as well as recognize objects below the drone for even safer landing position. And has obstacle avoidance. The Binocular avoidance system helps O2 to see objects in its path and avoid them at a safe distance automatically. So you can focus on your shots without the fear of crashing. The O2 includes a full package of smart features so you can get creative on the fly. This O2 includes both trace and circle modes, gesture recognition for photo and video shooting, rocket mode, drone mode, circle mode, burst shooting, time-lapse, slow motion, smart video mode, return to home, smart selfie mode, as well as digital zooming capture. GDU Mini App. The developers have developed an all-new Gdu Mini App for O2 to make it more compatible for your everyday life. It allows you to connect to the drone faster, experiences the view clearer, performs all smart functions, and even fly the drone without a remote. Its built-in editing and sharing function is a fast lane for you to connect with your friends and share your excitement via social media. So what do you think about the Gdu O2 drone? Please feel free to leave a comment and click the like button. If you gained any value from this video, please subscribe to this channel and stay in touch with us. Thanks for watching and have a great day.